channel. My name's Dave.
I'm Alex.
And we're here today to blow shit up. We got some seatbelt activators that are supposed to have steel balls in them. So we have ourselves a little enclosed area set up so we can see what happens when we blow them up. So let's get started. Hello everybody and welcome to the Canadian Redneck channel. My name's Dave.
I'm Kristen.
I'm Alex.
We're here today to blow shit up. We got some airbags. This is an airbag activator. That's what actually inflates the airbag. And we have our volunteer Mel, who wanted to be the first watermelon on the moon. So thank you to Kristen for cutting Mel a new asshole, which the activator fits nicely into. We'll get this wired up, launch it off, and see what happens. Alright, so we saw what happened to Mel. She didn't really launch like I was expecting. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't super spectacular. But don't worry, we've got a side curtain airbag, right?
Yeah, curtain airbag.
Right on. And we have some real good eggs here that have stepped up and volunteered to do some G-force testing for us. See what happened. We have quite a variety of guys. And we have some volunteers here that have helped out. This is my niece Christy and her boyfriend Devin, my daughter Kristen, and my son Bailey. And they've helped Alex and I get they did the coloring of these eggs while Alex and I gathered airbags and fixed wires and dug holes in the ground. Actually, that was mostly me. You weren't here.
Yeah, no, I wasn't doing any of that.
Sons of bitches, right? Anyway, so we got these eggs, and so we'll get to commence to blowing shit up again. So that was rather entertaining, but in the spirit of I hate unfinished business, we had 7 surviving eggs, so I went and got a 22 and we're going to shoot them, because there can be no survivors. There you go! Look at that! Just need a little pressure.
Holy shit!